Hi, my name's Tom. I work in an office and I'm constantly looking for dress clothes. So when I can find good dress clothes on Amazon that can get shipped to me, I'm always excited. This blazer was actually sent to me in exchange for an honest review and it works great. It looks wonderful. This is a cobalt blue men's blazer. The sizing on this one is dead on. I wear a 50 regular. This is a 50 regular and it fits perfectly, but the sleeves are perfectly length. The cut is nice and sharp, as you can see, and the color is absolutely beautiful. I have some fuzzies on me. I've actually worn it a couple times now, and I wore it at work all day, and I actually get compliments on it because it's just a nice, rich color of blue. Let me go ahead and show you some of the cool features I like about it. First of all, I love the buttons. I want you to see them. They are metal buttons. These are nice detailed metal buttons, no plastic here. This is quality stuff. There's 4 on this side, 4 on the sleeve. There's also 2 on the actual blazer itself. They're a little larger and they are very nice. It does have the kind of the notched collar. It also has, where is it, the little hole for the boutonniere right here. That's wonderful. It does have a sleeve, or I'm sorry, a pocket in the front, and it has 2 side pockets. They come stitched. You can go ahead and cut the stitches and then you can use them. They are functioning pockets if you would like. I just want to quickly give it a quick run around. Here's the back. The back does actually split. I haven't taken the thread off yet, but it is it's a nice cut. As you can see, it's a medium weight and it feels nice and comfortable. It does stay fairly wrinkle free. It's actually a really nice material. It's polyester and a blend material, but it stays fairly wrinkle free. I have worn this for about 9 hours today, start and finish, and it works great. Let me show you the inside of it as well. Let's see here. Here is the actual lining. The sleeves are just kind of a white lining, but the inside lining is actually very decorative. I really like it. It's a nice little pattern in there. I want you to see that pattern. But then you also have on one side, let me take my pen out. On one side, you actually have a large pocket, a smaller pocket for a phone, and then even a lower pocket for change, so that's relatively nice. And then on the other side, you also have a pocket. You have a larger pocket right there. You have a larger pocket right there, and there is a tag in there that shows you all the details about it. There we go. Fabric, polyester, viscose, spandex. It's just a nice, comfortable, again, it's kind of a casual blazer. I would wear it to, oh geez, business meeting, which I work obviously in an office, church, any kind of a formal function, any kind of a function where you want to throw a jacket on, you want to look good. It does work great with a tie. I've worn it with a tie. I'm not wearing a tie today, but it looks wonderful because again, it's a nice, wonderful medium grade. It's pretty durable jacket as well. One quick thing, when you get this, it will be in a bag. It actually comes folded up in a bag. And when I took it out, there were actually a couple little folds on it. I thought, oh no. But it took me 10 minutes with a hand steamer and it was perfect. And here we go. Again, I have been wearing this all day long and you can see it just looks great. It's a wonderful quality blazer. I will be ordering more of these. This is the cobalt blue again. There are other colors available. Sizing again, dead on. I love the sizing. I'm probably going to go ahead and pick up another one, either a black or a charcoal. But yeah, this is a really, really nice blazer. If you're looking for quality dress clothes, you need a nice men's blazer for whatever functions you're going to have for the holidays or for an event. Hey, this is great. Comes from Amazon. Highly recommended.